Family's Pig Farm by Katie Olthoff. My Family's Pig Farm, written by Katie Olthoff, designed by Jen Hinman, printed as a special project of Iowa Agriculture Literacy Foundation and the Iowa Pork Producers Association and Ag Ventures Alliance. Hi, my name is Caeden. I live with my mom, dad, brother, and sister on our farm. We raise corn, soybeans, and pigs. Caeden's parents both grew up on farms. Sherry is a fourth-generation pig farmer, and Jared is a third-generation pig farmer. The pigs eat corn and soybeans. Then, pig manure is used to fertilize the corn and soybean plants. Livestock are farm animals, including cattle, pigs, sheep, goats, poultry, and others. Companion animals are pets like dogs, cats, ponies, and horses. It makes sense to raise livestock like pigs near their food source. Fertilizer provides nutrients plants need to grow. Our pigs are born on another farm in a farrowing barn. That is where the mama pigs and piglets live. Mama pigs are called sows. Sows can have a lot of babies or piglets at once. Piglets drink the sow's milk for the first few weeks of their lives. Gestation is pregnancy. A pig's pregnancy lasts 3 months, 3 weeks, and 3 days. Farrowing is the birthing of pigs. A sow is the mother pig. A litter is the group of piglets born at the same time to one mother. Litters are usually 12 to 14 pigs. When the pigs get bigger, they are moved to finishing barns like ours. In the barn, the pigs have room to move around and play. Did you know piglets weigh 2 to 3 pounds at birth, and an average sow weighs 500 pounds? Piglets' main food source is the mother sow's milk until they are 3 to 4 weeks old. In the past, farmers raised pigs outdoors, but now most pigs live in barns. The barns keep the pigs warm in the winter and protect them from storms in the summer. The pigs are more comfortable in the barns. Animal welfare is the health and well-being of animals. Farmers make sure livestock have proper nutrition and shelter to improve animal welfare. Our barns have computers in them to help us take care of the pigs. The computers help control the temperature in the barns and open the windows when the pigs need fresh air. They tell us how much feed the pigs are eating and how much water the pigs are drinking. New technology helps people in all parts of their lives. It also helps farmers improve. Animals are more comfortable, healthier, and raise more meat partly because of technology. The pigs eat feed that is mostly made of corn and soybeans. The feed is stored in bins outside the barn, and it travels through the tubes to the feeders inside the barn. The pigs can eat from the feeders whenever they want. Feed is what pigs eat, which is mostly corn and soybeans. The pigs can also take a drink of clean, fresh water whenever they need to. The water system is automated like the feed system. Automated is something that works by itself without human control. We check on the pigs every day. This is one of the most important jobs of a farmer. We check to make sure that the feed and watering systems are working correctly. We also check to make sure the pigs are healthy. All farmers, including pig farmers, care about their livestock. Pig farmers check on their pigs every day, even on holidays and weekends. It's very important that the pigs stay healthy. We have a veterinarian that helps us take care of them. We try to keep the pigs from getting sick. We use vaccines to prevent illness. We also wash our hands and boots to keep from spreading germs in the barns. A veterinarian is a doctor for animals. Biosecurity means washing things in water and washing clean clothes and boots to keep livestock healthy by preventing germs from getting near the animals. A vaccine is a substance that is usually injected into a person or animal to protect against a particular disease. Vaccines and other medicines are stored in refrigerators to keep them cold until they are ready to be used. A pig farmer works very closely with veterinarians to prevent and treat illnesses. If the pigs get sick, we give them medicine to make them feel better. The pig's manure falls through slats in the floor to pits below the building. The slats and pits help keep the pigs clean. Then the manure can be used as fertilizer on the fields nearby. Farmers test the soil to see how much fertilizer it needs before applying the manure. Manure is the waste that comes from pigs. Pig farmers use the manure very carefully. They do not want to use too much manure on their fields because then it could pollute streams and rivers. When the pigs are full grown, they are loaded onto semi-trucks and taken to a processing plant. There they are harvested for pork and other products. Pigs are harvested at the processing plants. Processing plants get meat and byproducts from the pigs. Harvest is gathering food. When pigs are harvested, meat is produced. Byproducts are things other than meat that are made from pigs. After the meat is harvested, the non-meat portions of the pig are used to make other things. The meat from pigs is called pork. Pork includes pork chops, ribs, tenderloins, ham, sausage, and bacon, some of my favorites. Pigs are also used to make other things like medical products and household objects. Different types of pork come from different parts of the pig. Bacon is from the belly of the animal. Pork byproducts include makeup, crayons, gelatin, and chalk. Our parents grew up on a pig farm just like my brother, sister, and me, and we are learning how to take care of pigs because we want to be pig farmers when we grow up too.